It's super annoying whenever you have a spreadsheet that contains IDs, but there's no link to get to the actual account. So let me show you how to add the account links in bulk. So for example, we have a Salesforce report right here. We have the account name, the account ID, and some information about the Salesforce account, but we can't click into it. So we have to go into Salesforce and do it manually. So what we're going to do is we're going to insert a column to the left, and we'll call this account link. And now we're going to create a dynamic account link that will link to whichever account is pointed to automatically. The first thing we'll need is the URL. So I can see right here, this is my little demo Salesforce account. I can copy the URL. This is key. Inside the URL, you can see that the account ID is listed right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to split this part of the text, reference the account ID from the cell, and then add in the rest of the URL. So I'm going to type equals, inside quotes, paste it in the quote. Now, once again, we need to split out this part right here because that is the account ID that's listed right here. So I'm going to delete what's there, put a quote so that way we break out of this text, put an ampersand to join, select this cell that contains the account ID, put another ampersand to join, and then put another quote to break back into the text. So what this is doing is it's taking this part of the text, adding in whatever this is, and then we're finishing it off with another part of the text saying /view. Once I press enter, we'll have this link right here. If I open it up, it will automatically go to Gnarly Napkins, which is the account that I have right here. But we can take this a step further if we want by using hyperlink. So between the equals and the string, we're going to type hyperlink, open parentheses. We have the URL already. So now all I need to put is a comma, and we're going to put the account name cell. So we're just going to point to cell A2, which contains the account name. And now I can press return, and now instead of having the link, we have the account name that has the link behind it. You can drag this formula down to apply this to everything, and you're good to go. So if I wanted to quickly go to Flimsy Forks, I can identify it and go straight there without hassle. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions and like and comment for more.